have been trading for a while, you probably heard about prop firms or even used them. But maybe some of you didn't hear about them and do not know the advantages of trading with a prop firm. So that's why I'm here today. I want to talk with you about the advantages of using a prop firm, how prop firms improved my trading, and also what we offer at the Goat Funded Trader. Hello traders, my name is Andrea and you're on the official channel of the Goat Funded Trader. So if you want to try out a challenge, if you want to see more information about the prop firm itself, just go in the description box and visit our website, and also don't forget to join our Discord community. So let's start with the reasons why prop firms are so good nowadays. The first reason and the most important one is access to a lot of funds with little to no money, because at first you will have to pay for a challenge, but after that, if you pass the challenge and if you showed that you are a great trader, you will receive the fee that you paid for the challenge back. So basically you received free funds to trade with absolutely no investment, which is amazing. It didn't exist in the past, and now I think that it should be used by every trader at least once. Even if you have capital on your own, I feel like this is a great opportunity for you to see how it's like trading with other people's funds. For example, with an average of $500, you can receive an account of 100K. So just imagine the fact that you will do a 5% profit on a monthly basis. That means that you already made 5K from that account. The scale is like this. You paid this in the beginning in order to make this amount of money, which is amazing. And I repeat, it goes to zero. The scale goes to zero because in the end, if you're profitable, if you make money, you will receive the funds back. So you will receive the fee back. So it's amazing. I'm personally using prop firms. It helped me a lot in my trading growth because honestly, I didn't have a lot of money to trade with. I couldn't just invest 100K, put it into my brokerage account and to just trade with them. It was too much for me. I didn't have access to this much capital and I didn't trust it because, let's be honest a little bit, we're not perfect traders, we are human beings, so from time to time you don't feel right when you're trading with your own money. But if you're trading with prop firms money, that's like a relief. It's really a relief because you realize that you're not using your own funds and you realize that the funds aren't yours. So you will simply trade better, you won't feel too much emotion. So this is the main reason why people choose to trade with prop firms, is because you can trade with capital that is not yours, so you won't feel pressed, so you won't feel emotion. You will feel great about your trading, and you know that the worst that can happen is for you to lose that account that you actually invested $0 for it, right? So it's no loss. It's basically no loss. Nobody takes advantage of you. Nobody asks for money in return. Like, it's a deal between you and the prop firm. That's why the prop firms decide strict rules for their challenges, because they want the best traders to join. They don't want anybody to join. They don't want to see like 50% drawdown, 60% drawdown. It's not possible. That's why there's a fixed drawdown of 10%. And let's read a little bit the rules of GOAT, because we are on the Goat Funded Trader page. We was talking in general. But for example, we have two versions of the challenge. We have the no time limit and the classic one. Let's see the classic one first of all. So basically with the classic one, let's say that you want to buy a 100K account, right? So you have to pay $515 for it. Remember that I said that it's an average of $500 per challenge? Yeah, that's right. For the Goat Funded Trader, the price is $515. And I repeat, if you make a 5% profit in the first month, you will receive your fee back of $515 that you initially paid. And also you will receive that 5% profit from the 100K account. So this is the deal. This is why people are trading with prop firms, and this is why it's amazing. I repeat, the leverage is up to 1 to 100, so it's perfect. Yeah, there's a lot of benefits. The maximum drawdown is 10%, I repeat, because a prop firm wants only profitable traders. A prop firm wants traders that don't risk so much. They want disciplined traders with a trading plan. They also want traders that are consistent. They don't want people that just simply blow the accounts because, as you may know, sometimes prop firms copy the trades of their traders. So it's really important to be great traders, right? So if you feel like you're a great trader, don't forget to join the link in the description box. It's the Discord server of the Code Funded Trader. So we expect you there. We want new people. This is where we post updates. This is where we share with you some giveaways if you're interested in that, and more stuff about Code. And also, if I go to the no time limit, let's see the difference between no time limit and classic. I will go with 100K again. Okay. It's the same price for it, okay? The target is 8% in phase 1, 5% in phase 2. There's no minimum trading days, which is great. Daily drawdown 5% for both of the phases. Okay, the maximum drawdown is 8% for both phases, so this is the difference, but it's the fact that you can complete this challenge whenever you want. Like, you have no time limit basically for it. So of course the maximum drawdown is a little bit reduced, but I feel like this is a great deal and I will totally go for it. But it's up to you, right? It's up to your own trading style. And the profit split is up to 95% plus weekly payout from the 5th payout. It's amazing. I really like the rules for the challenges at Code Funded Trader, and I'm speaking to you as a trader, not because I'm the video creator of Code, just because I've been using proffers for so long and I know that these rules are pretty great. Another reason why you should trade with proffers is because usually prop firms are really professional, so you can tell from the start if they're going to pay you or not, because you can observe their community, you can observe their marketing, you can observe their CEOs, you can observe everything about them. Whereas with a broker, sometimes it doesn't happen like this. Sometimes you get scammed by the brokers because you don't really know who is behind it. They are not pretty active on social media. But because prop firms have a huge competition with each other, of course, they want to provide the best conditions for the traders. So in this case, you will see their CEOs, you will see that everyone wants to give you the payouts, you will see the business model behind it. You have more access to talk with the owners and also to talk with the customer support. This is a really serious industry because, for example, if a prop firm doesn't do good, like, it will immediately get exposed. Whereas for a broker, it's not exactly the same thing. You have to dive a little bit deeper into the problem to see if the broker is good or not. I'm comparing a prop firm to a broker because probably you're accustomed to brokers. Brokers existed from a long time ago, but prop firms are more new in this industry. Also, another important thing is the fact that prop firms have big communities. Prop firms focus on traders. The prop firms want to see you grow, basically. At Code Funded Trader, we are more than happy to offer you free information to make you more profitable, because if you're winning, we are winning too. So we make a great team. So that's why I'm here. That's why I started a teaching series on this channel. That's why I share information about the profile. I'm trying to make you guys pass the challenge and actually trade with us. We don't want to see you lose because it's no advantage for us. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more information about the challenges and if you want to see the pages that I've read in this video about a Code Funded Trader, you can go in the menu at pricing, and this is where you can buy the challenges. And also, if you have more questions, please don't hesitate, just ask them in the comments, ask them on our Twitter or inside our Discord channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.